What is up? Welcome to another software engineering concept in Python. In this video, we are going to look at what test suites are in Python. So what are test suites? Test suites in Python organize related test cases to verify code functionality, grouping tests by feature, module, or component to create a structured testing hierarchy. These collections enable efficient batch execution, streamlining testing processes, especially in continuous integration environments. Frameworks like the unittest, pytest, and nose provide robust support for test suite management across various development workflows. So we have an example here for creating and running test suites. So Python's unittest framework actually simplifies test suite organizations, and tests are defined in classes inherited from the unittest.test case with methods prefixed by test underscore dot. So you also create suites either manually with the unittest.test suite or automatically using the unittest.default test loader camel cased to discover tests based on naming conventions. So test execution generates reports showing passed, failed, or skipped tests with timing data and error information. Here's a typical example and practical example for you to play around with. Okay, so we have the import test, which actually imports this test suite, and then you can run this in your VS Code. Tell us how it went. Thank you for watching this video. Let's move to the next content in the playlist.